For the first circuit here, as we go to the table, as both switches are off, the light is on. As we turn on the second switch, the light should go off, which it does. Turn the switch back off, turn on the first switch, the light should still be off, which it is. Turn both of them off, turn both of them on, and the light should light up, which it does. As we go to the second circuit right here, we can go through the table again, and as both these switches are off, the light is on. As we turn on the second switch, the light should turn off, which it does. We turn off the second switch, turn on the first switch, the light should stay on, which it does. And if you turn both these switches on, the light should stay on, which it does. As we look at the word problem for number 1 or number 9, the circuit right here, you can't see these switches, but I will go through the table. Right now all of them are off and the light is off. As we turn on the third one, it should stay off, which it does. As you turn on the middle one, the light should go on, which it does. And if you turn on the middle and the third, so second and third, the light should stay on, which it does. And as you put the first one on, technically the door, the light should stay off. If you turn on the door and the seat belt, it should stay off. If you turn on the door and the key, it should turn on, which it does. And if you turn on all three, it should be off, which it is. As we go to the last circuit right here, number 10, go through the cycle of the switches and the table, and right now all of these switches are off and the light should be off. If you turn on the third switch, the light should stay off, which it does. If you turn on the second switch, the light stays off, which it does. If you turn on the second and third switch, the light should stay on, which it does. If you turn on the first switch, it should be off, which it is. If you turn on the first and third switch, the light should come on, which it does. If you turn on the first and second switch, the light should come on, which it does. And if you turn on all three, it should stay on, which it does.